Assalamu alaikum class 9th, hope you all will be good. I am going to continue unit number 11, noise in the environment. We have done question answers from the book. Now I am going to do book exercise. Today date is 14/7/2020. It's my 19th lecture and day is Tuesday. See, first portion, vocabulary. Write the synonym of the following words. Disturbs mean disturb. Rapid means fast. Unmonitored, unchecked. Nuisance, irritation. Pursing, sharp. All the meanings I have discussed when I was doing reading, and you can see the meaning from the book. See paragraph number 1. This meaning you can find from paragraph number 1. Nuisance, you can find the meaning in paragraph number 2, and all the paragraphs are mentioned here. Question number B. How many words you can form from these root words? So 3 root words are given: pollute, construct and develop, and they are asking that you have to make other words from these root words, such as pollute, pollution. We can make pollution from the word pollute. Polluted, polluting, pollution free, pollutant and polluter. So all of these words are made from the word pollute. Construct, constructive, constructional, constructing, constructed, constructor and construction. So all of these words are made from the root word construct. Develop, developing, development, redevelop, underdevelop, developer and developed. These words are made from the root word develop. So see your home task is question number C. Choose 5 words you have made from the root word and use them in sentences. So we have made many words from these root words. You have to select any 5 words, such as you can select the word pollution, constructive, construction, developing. So you can make the sentence from these words. It is your home task. You have to do this work on your neat notebook. See next. Grammar. It's on page number 117. Transitional devices. See what are transitional devices. Transitional devices are words and phrases that connect parts of your writing. So whenever we are going to write, we use some words such as first, second, third, finally, furthermore, to. So these words are some of the phrases are used to join the idea or the sentences. We join the sentence from these transitional devices. They link sentences and paragraphs together to maintain continuity of idea. So whatever we are going to write, our idea can be connect or continue through these ट्रेडिशनल डिवाइसेस. यानी इन ट्रेडिशनल डिवाइसेस के ज़रिए से हमारा आइडिया जो है उसमें continuity आएगी, वो जो है together we can make them together and it can be linked to each other. The following is a list of some commonly used traditional words or phrases. So there is a list. See type of traditional devices are given, and then transitional devices are given according to the types. First one is addition. When we are going to add something in our writing, we use these words such as and. Whenever we join two sentences, we can use the conjunction and. It is the additional device. And, again, beside, finally, further, furthermore, to, next, lastly, moreover, in addition, first, second, etc. So all of these words are used when we are going to add something in our writing. Comparison. So these traditional devices are written when we do comparison, when we are going to write something. But yet, on the other hand, however, nevertheless, on the contrary, by comparison, we are compared to, although, meanwhile, after all, in contrast. So all of these traditional devices are, all of these words and phrases are used to give the idea of comparison in a writing, any kind of writing. Emphasizes, यानी अगर हमने किसी जोर दे के कोई बात करनी है, किसी चीज़ पर स्ट्रेस देना है, तो एम्फसाइज़ करने के लिए या किसी चीज़ को बहुत ही स्ट्रांगली बोलने के लिए हम इन ट्रेडिशनल डिवाइसेस को लिखते हैं, सच एज डेफिनेटली, एक्सट्रीमली, ऑब्वियसली, इन फैक्ट, इंडीड, absolutely, positively, naturally, always, forever, never, certainly. Sequencing, when we have to give any sequence, first, second, third, next, then, follow, this, as, this time, now, at this point, after, afterward, subsequently, finally, sequently, previously, thus, therefore, hence, next. तो ऑल ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स आर यूज व्हेन वी हैव टू शो सम सीक्वेंस, यानी किसी वर्ड को हमने सीक्वेंस में लिखना है, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड कह के, नंबरिंग में पॉइंट्स में लिखना है, किसी चीज़ की सीक्वेंस बनाना है, तो फिर हम उसमें इन ट्रेडिशनल डिवाइसेस को यूज़ करते हैं। एग्जाम्पलीफिकेशन, यानी हमें किसी चीज़ को एग्जाम्पल करना है या कोई एग्जाम्पल देनी है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर इंस्टेंस, इन दिस केस, ऑन दिस ओकेशन, दिस, डेमोन्स्ट्रेट, टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट, टू illustrate, as an illustration. So all of these words are used for exemplification. Summarization, in brief, on the whole, summing up, to conclude, in conclusion, therefore, accordingly, thus, as a result, and consequently. All of these traditional devices are used to summarize something, to conclude something. See question number A. Identify traditional devices in paragraph 8 and 9. So paragraph 8 is given, paragraph 9 is not given. You have to cut paragraph number 9. Just we will see paragraph number 8. See paragraph number 8. I am going to read. You have to just circle the traditional devices given in paragraph number 8. Noise pollution is a serious issue and need. So this traditional device and is linked the sentence with other and needs more attention to log and you have to circle and state level. People must develop more awareness about the dangerous impact of noise on human health. It is therefore. So therefore is again traditional device. Therefore a need to check more civic sense and you have to circle and responsible attitude to avoid the unnecessary use of this irritant in the environment. Only then. So you have to circle only and then. It's also traditional device. Only then our country would be the much quieter and much more peaceful place to live in. Till here. So I have circled all traditional devices given in paragraph number 8. I hope you have understand. Now see page number 118. Question number B. Read the sentences and insert appropriate traditional devices in the blanks given below. So 5 sentences are given and option A, B, C, any MCQs are given. We have to select appropriate traditional device. Sentence 1. It was announced that doctors' salary would be increased. As a result, doctors ended their strike. So option A you will circle as a result. Amjad is an excellent teacher. For example, you have write it here. For example, he explains the subject matter very well and makes sure that all students understand the concepts. Sentence 3. Amna speaks English very well. However, you will write here, however, she does not assist her friends in learning to speak English. Option A is correct. 4th, the government has levied more taxes, but you will write here, but the salary structure has not been improved. So option B is correct. Salma is a good speaker. In addition, she also writes very well. So option A is correct. Now adverb clause. An adverb clause is a group of words which does the work of an adverb. You know what is adverb? Adverb tells the quality of verb. It enhances the or modified the verb. यानी adverb से हमें verb की quality या उसको ये enhance कर देता है या उसको modify कर देता है verb को. लेकिन अगर group of words है which gives the meaning of adverb is called adverb clause. It usually brings with a subordinate conjunction such as after, because, until, where, while, unless, as, when, since, if, thou, whenever. So what is subordinate conjunction? Whenever we have to write these words, these are the conjunction and these are considered subordinate conjunction, because whenever we use these words we need another sentence to complete the meaning of the sentence. 2 सेंटेंसेस होंगे हमारे पास. अगर हमें इन सेंटेंस के इसके साथ एक और सेंटेंस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है जिससे मीनिंग्स कंप्लीट हो, तो जो कंजक्शन यूज़ की जाएगी वो सबऑर्डिनेट होगी. सबऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन के साथ हमें एक सेंटेंस और लिखना होता है ताकि मीनिंग्स कंप्लीट हो जाएं, और ये जो वर्ड्स हैं ये सबऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन है. अंडरलाइन एडवर्ब clauses in the following sentences. Also encircle the subordinate conjunction. So we will circle subordinate conjunction and underline adverb clauses. Sentence 1. You may sit whenever you like. So you may sit is one sentence, whenever you like is another sentence. हमारे पास 2 sentences है यहाँ. हर एक एग्जाम्पल में हर एक में 2 sentences है. जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है यू मे सिट, इट गिव्स अस कंप्लीट मीनिंग. जो सेंटेंस हमें कंप्लीट मीनिंग देगा उसको हम इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज कहते हैं, और जो सेंटेंस हमें कंप्लीट मीनिंग नहीं देता उसको हम डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज कहते हैं. यानी वो डिपेंड करेगा एक और क्लॉज पे, एक और सेंटेंस पे जो उसकी मीनिंग्स को कंप्लीट कर देगा. और या जो जितने भी ये सेंटेंस स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं ये सब के सब सबऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. सच एज whenever is subordinate conjunction. You have to circle it. You like, you will underline it. You like is adverb clause. Next is he will pass if he works hard. So you will circle if is subordinate conjunction and he works hard is adverb clause. You will underline it. Sentence 3. We shall wait here until you come. So you will circle until as subordinate conjunction and you come is adverb clause, because it is said that subordinate clause, so whenever we use subordinate conjunction or subordinate clause it will be adverb clause. See, it usually brings with a subordinate conjunction. यानी subordinate conjunction के बाद जो भी clause होगी उसको आपने अंडरलाइन करना है, वो adverb clause होगी. I did not buy it because, you will circle because it was very expensive. It was very expensive is adverb clause. 5th, do it before you forget. Before you will circle and you forget it will underline. I hope you have understand till here. The rest of the book exercise I will do tomorrow. You have to learn adverb clause, what is adverb clause, what is subordinate clause. You should know traditional devices, what are the traditional devices, and I have given you a homework. You have to make 5 sentences by the root words, the words we have made from the root words. That is your home task. Allah Hafiz class.